Turtle Tough sensors are built for long-lasting performance in extreme applications. But that extended lifetime means more exposure to process fouling. When your sensor's responsiveness slows down, it's definitely time to give it a good clean. We recommend a regular cleaning schedule to ensure your sensor is as stable and accurate as possible. A Turtle Tough cleaning kit contains all the tools necessary to care for your sensor, including a nail brush, a scraper, a beaker, a bottle of 15% HCl cleaning solution, glass cleaning polish, Q-tips, and conditioning solution for sensor storage and rejuvenation. You will also need DI water and a cleaning cloth, which are not included in the kit. Now we're ready to get this sensor clean and back into the process. Please make sure you follow all of the safety regulations of your workplace, as you will be using strong chemicals. The first step is to rinse the end of the sensor in tap water. Then, gently scrub the reference with the nail brush to remove any fouling. If you can't remove the fouling with the brush, use the scraper to scrape away the top layer of the reference and expose fresh, uncontaminated material. Be sure to avoid the glass element, as scratching it will irreparably damage the sensor. Now that most of the fouling has been removed, pour some of the HCl solution into the beaker and soak the tip of the sensor in the HCl for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the soaking time is up, rinse the tip thoroughly with DI water. The next step is to use the cotton bud and glass cleaning polish to clean the glass. Tap a small amount of the powder onto a hard surface and use a wet cotton bud to form a polishing paste. Gently polish the glass tip to remove any films, oils, or contaminants that may reduce the sensor's responsiveness. After polishing, once again rinse the tip with DI water and wipe clean using a lint-free cloth or chem wipes. The last step of the cleaning process is reconditioning. Soak the tip of the sensor in conditioning solution for at least 10 minutes so that the reference is fully saturated. Severely compromised sensors can even be soaked overnight to help rejuvenate the reference. At this point, the sensor is ready to return to service. However, if you're planning to store the sensor, put a few drops of the conditioning solution into the sensor cap before replacing it. Use electrical or plumber's tape to avoid leakage and store the sensor with the tip facing downwards, ideally in the original box. And that's it. This simple cleaning process can be repeated over and over again to drastically increase the lifetime of your sensor. If you want to find out more about the Turtle Tough sensors, you can watch another one of our videos or go to turtletoughsensors.com.